Welcome back to my channel, Smoking and Grilling with me, AB. In today's video recipe, I'm going to show you how to make a marinade slash barbecue sauce. And this one right here is a little different for me. This is not my own recipe. I got this from another YouTuber. This lady right here, listen, she's a baker. And listen, she went outside the box and decided to make a marinade. And after I saw it, I said I had to do it. Her YouTube channel is In the Kitchen with Elisa. Let me just show you. This is what she made right here. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys right now, I made this twice already and tried it on a set of ribs and another piece of meat. I'm gonna say the other piece of meat because I'm gonna do a video on that. But I'm getting ready to show you how she made it. I put my own little spin on it and we're gonna go from there. I'm gonna go ahead and drop her link down in the description box below so you guys can check out her channel. Again, listen, this is a marinade slash barbecue sauce. And what I'm gonna do is, once I make it, I'm gonna put it on I'm gonna go ahead and put it on some thighs. I got some skinless, boneless thighs. I'm gonna go ahead and marinate them overnight, and then come back. And guess what? I'm gonna cook them in the crock pot. Outside of that, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, you can see, okay, we're gonna use Jack Daniels. We got brown sugar, black pepper. And this right here, I put all 3 spices in here. We got rosemary, thyme, and oregano. Used minced onions and then minced garlic. Both of these dry, like these to be granulated. As you can see, I got kosher salt right there. But listen, next to that is the soy sauce. If you're using a low sodium, then we're going to use kosher salt. If not, if you're using regular, then we leave it like that. Then you got ketchup, and those are my jars that I'm gonna put my excess sauce in. I'm telling you, it's almost like a barbecue sauce. You know what I mean? Even though it's a marinade. Now this marinade is very, very easy to prepare. Listen, you want to first mix all your dry ingredients, get those in your bowl, and after that, it doesn't get no simpler than that. Just go ahead and add your wet ingredients, stir it, and then you're done. Now I chose to make mine out of Jack Daniels whiskey, but in Elisa's video, she did say you can substitute that with an apple cider vinegar. all of the ingredients, we threw them together. You know, you put your dry ingredients in the bowl, get those mixed up, and then you come back with the wet, use a strainer, put it in whatever type of jar you have. You know what, if you're gonna marinate, go ahead and put some on the marinade, then save some for the end of your cook. I can promise you this, listen, it's a little sticky, it's sweet, and it's delicious. Hey, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you now that I'm done. Check this out. That's it right there. Listen, I love the color on it. I've already eaten a couple of these pieces right here. You gotta try this. All right, so don't forget to go by and check out her channel. Again, that's In the Kitchen with Elisa. I hope I'm pronouncing her name right. Listen, she's overseas, got a great channel. She does like, hey, I don't want to spoil it, but if you want to see some incredible baking, go by and check out her, and listen, that's baking, not bake-in. You know what I mean? So if you want to see something incredible, go by, check out her page. Don't forget to let her know that AB sent you. You know what? Drop her a line. If you're new to my channel, let me go ahead and take the time to say, hey, welcome to my channel. You know, don't forget to subscribe. And listen, there's a bell. Go ahead and ring that bell. That way you'll get the latest notification whenever I drop my latest video. Outside of that, I'm saying thank you to everybody. And if you want to see more content like this, just stick around. I got some fun things coming. And with that being said, you guys, I'm out. Peace.